Have you ever seen someone cooking something very delicious, or he's cutting some red bell pepper so that he can actually prepare some Chinese rice? And whenever the Chinese rice is ready, how do you want to eat your Chinese rice? You want to make sure that you're eating your Chinese rice when it's smoking hot and served hot. Now, to ensure that you get the latest videos straight off the oven, straight off the pan, make sure you subscribe. But subscribing is not enough. If you want to get the hottest food instead of eating the cold food, you want to click the bell icon as well, because clicking the bell icon ensures that you get a notification pop up on your mobile phone or on your channel. So make sure you click that one. Let's jump straight into the video. Intraday trading. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to XRP video update today. So 1 month ago I made a video. The last video that I made on XRP was pump before the storm, and I was expecting XRP to move down because at that time it was trading near 52 cents, and you can see in this video this is what I said. Okay, that's where you're gonna have to be very careful because of two resistance that you must watch out. Two places you're gonna have to look for. Number one is, on the smaller time frame, like the intraday trading, amazing. You do have, if this one actually comes down to that area and you go up to 5.8, you can see that's a 15% move, which is, if I drag this neckline, that trend line right over there, and consider the wicks as well or not, then you're looking for that area being a resistance. Okay, so even if it goes to 0.6, what I want to see is that XRP completely breaks out and makes a bullish make wicks to the upside above this line. Maybe it's here, but you have a very big, huge, ugly wall, and the second one is going to be this right over there. Do you see that? Because they all take you to that particular resistance. So you do have a chance to trade 15%, but then after that you're going to have to be super careful. The favorable scenario is break out of those resistance and backtest, and then boom, the whole road is going to be cleared, and you could potentially make this left shoulder Yeah, so that was XRP, and for the XRP we talked about it, and I told you that there was a lower wall as well, and that was this one right over here. So basically we never even broke out of that particular resistance to continue higher, so we never did that. Okay, and we were rejected right at that wall, and you can see now that you've been dumped all the way to the downside as well. Now I still wonder if there's anything that I can show you on a monthly time frame. Now at this point of time, considering that particular pattern, this is how it looks on the surface on a monthly time frame. So all you have is nothing more than a descending triangle on the monthly time frame. And if we talk about the technical target of that monthly time frame descending triangle, we're looking for the top to the bottom here, and you could get XRP down to 15 cents.